Hello, today I'm going to share with you how to make this fun test tube vase inside of a piece of wood. This is a log from Walnut Hollow, and I'm also going to show you how to do the wood burn pattern on the top, the tribal pattern, and how to paint it with Deco Art paints. Walnut Hollow and Deco Art are sponsors for this project, and it's part of the Handmade Holidays Blog Hop going on now. Click the link up here in the annotations so that you can get over to the hop and enter to win over $600 in craft supplies. It's going on through November 8th. And you'll be able to enter for about a week after that. So you'll need to gather some supplies for this project. You're going to need a wood slice, a ruler, a pencil, some test tubes, a spade style bit, and a drill. So find the center of the wood slice and mark it with a pencil, and then I measured out about 1 1/4 inch out from the center hole there, and then marked my holes for my test tubes. I wanted them to all be the same distance apart. Next, I used the spade bit on my drill, and I just used a spade bit that was a little bit larger than the test tube I wanted to use to drill the 5 holes, and then I made sure that the test tubes fit. Next, I used a Tombow mechanical pencil to hand draw a tribal pattern onto the wood. Now, I sketched this out on a scrap of paper first so I could kind of see what it was going to look like before I just like free-handed it on the piece of wood. Next, I used the Walnut Hollow Vase tool. This is a wood burning tool, and it does so much more. And I use it to wood burn the pattern here on just by covering my pencil lines on the wood. Now, some of the pencil lines are going to show. I'm going to show you how to get rid of that later. What's cool about the Vase tool is that you can set the temperature to different temps depending on what you're working on. So I wanted to go really fast, so I set this all the way up to super high temp so that I could just easily wood burn this. And it looks like this project's really hard, but it's not, because all of the wood burn lines are all straight, and so that makes it super easy to do this wood burning project. It gets a little trickier if you're trying to do like curves, but straight lines like geometric and tribal patterns are super easy to do with wood burning. And this took me about 10 minutes to do the whole pattern. Now, once I had the base done, I got a little bit more confident and decided to do some freehanding. So the diamonds and the lines that I'm going to draw here with the wood burning tool in the center of the little southwest shapes, that's all done right there. Like, I didn't have a sketch at all. So you can absolutely freehand it if you want to, and search pyrography online to see some amazing stuff people are doing with wood burning. Next, I use my Tombow sand eraser, which is basically an eraser with sand in it, to erase all the pencil lines from the top of the wood. And then I decided to use some Deco Art Americana Decor paints. These are just your basic acrylic paints to color in the areas or the pattern that I had wood burned. Now, I used some water to dilute the paint so it would spread a little bit easier on the wood slice. And before doing all of this, I had sanded the wood slice a little bit to take away some of the rough edges. Once everything's painted, you're going to add your test tubes in, and then it's ready to use. And this makes a really cool gift if you want to give this for Christmas or the holidays or whatever, but it's also pretty cool because you can use it for a spice rack. You can take the test tubes out and put your pens in it. So it has multiple functions beyond just a flower vase. So I hope that you enjoyed this project. Please click the subscribe button here at the end if you would like to get more of my updates. And also, don't forget to enter the Handmade Holidays giveaway by clicking on the link here for my website. Bye!